And I think she is posting this comment on my YouTube video talking about the learning limited. Okay, and she's asking, when it comes to learning limited, Dapo is asking, is cutting the audience down helps in terms of exiting the learning limited? Now, the answer is definitely no. Because first thing first, you need to understand what is learning limited. Now, the learning phase is a phase where Facebook ads campaign or Facebook ad set goes through some learning to find the best pattern, to find the audience that actually will take the action that you're looking for. Remember, when you're running ads on Facebook, the moment you choose your objective, you're deciding the action that you're looking for. So when you go for example, conversion, and if you select purchase conversion as your optimization, then Facebook knows that you are sending a signal to Facebook that you want to get people who are likely to purchase on your website. So when you launch your campaign, in fact, technically, according to the blueprint, whatever learning that we have, you need to actually have at least 50 conversion, 50. So if you go for purchase, then it means that within 7 days, in fact, you need to have 50 conversion, 50 conversion within 7 days in order to exit learning. So if you don't exit learning, then it will become learning limited. Okay, so when it comes to learning limited, what are the things that you can do? In fact, the easiest way to do is spend more money. Push the money in so that you can actually allow the campaign to reach more people, and in turn, hopefully, we can get more results. And then that's the easiest way to exit learning. So that's the first way. Now, the second way is what? If you are actually optimizing for purchase conversion and you do not have enough purchase in, you know for a fact that your website is new and you don't get a lot of people buying on your website, then you should actually change objective. Maybe start with traffic first. Okay, or even if you really still want to use conversion objective, then we don't optimize for purchase conversion. We can in turn look for something like maybe add to cart conversion, which maybe you have more people. So in turn, you allow the learning to exit faster. But nonetheless, one thing that I've been talking about, one thing that I've been really sharing to my audiences is that in fact, learning limited is not going to kill your campaign. No, it's still gonna do fine as long as, put it this way, very simple. It's just a warning that Facebook is sending you because it's the AI's job to send you whatever concern that they have when they're monitoring your campaign. But nonetheless, we know our campaign best, if you agree with me. We know what is our campaign doing, whether it's the campaign doing fine or not. We can see it from the number of results that we are getting, from the cost that we are paying, from the amount that we are earning. So as long as your campaign is doing okay, just let it be. Learning limited is not going to kill you. Okay, so that's the thing that I always want to tell people, which is when it comes to learning limited, don't worry. But really, if you're trying to cut the audience size to actually try to exit learning, it's not going to work. It's never the audience problem. It's about the campaign learning.